Alexander.
Hi, I'm Isabella.
And this is the Kids Cooking Network. Today we are gonna make crunchy fruit parfaits.
And it is so easy. I'm gonna put some whole wheat graham crackers.
And I'm gonna put some fresh fruit.
I like the raspberry ones.
I like those blackberries in there.
I also like the blackberries and the little oranges.
I think one more's good.
There. And I'm gonna add some low-fat vanilla yogurt.
This looks so good so far.
I know.
And now I'm gonna top this off with one chocolate chip cookie. And now we have made a crunchy fruit parfait. Thank you for watching the Kids Cooking Network.